Unlocking a better financial future starts with a perfect credit report. And today, we're tackling how to fix yours on Experian. Experian, one of the 3 major credit bureaus, plays a huge role in your financial life if you spot something wrong on your Experian report. It's crucial to act fast to protect your credit score. The first and most important step is to get a copy of your Experian credit report. You're entitled to a free credit report from each of the 3 bureaus, including Experian, annually at annualcreditreport.com. Visit the site, follow the prompts to request your report from Experian. Once you have it, review it thoroughly. Look for any personal information errors, like incorrect addresses or employers, and most importantly, check for account inaccuracies. This means verifying every loan, credit card, and any other debt listed. Are the balances correct? Is the payment history accurate? Are there accounts you don't recognize? Any mistake, no matter how small it seems, can impact your score. Once you've identified an inaccuracy, you need to dispute it with Experian. You have 2 primary ways to dispute an error. The fastest and most recommended method is online. Navigate to Experian's official website and look for their credit report dispute section. You'll typically need to create an account and then fill out a dispute form, providing details about the error and attaching any supporting documents. Alternatively, you can mail a dispute letter. Be sure to include your full name, address, social security number, and a clear description of the error. Send it via certified mail with a return receipt requested so you have proof of delivery. Experian has a legal timeframe to investigate your dispute. Usually around 30 to 45 days, they will contact the creditor or furnisher of the information to verify its accuracy. During this time, be patient. Once they complete their investigation, you'll receive a notification of their findings, and any verified errors should be corrected on your report. By diligently reviewing and disputing inaccuracies, you're taking control of your financial reputation. A corrected Experian report can lead to a higher credit score, opening doors to better interest rates on loans, approved credit cards with better terms, and overall more financial opportunities. Take these steps today to secure your financial future.